Hi there, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Do you ever feel hungry but struggle to find the right words to express it? Sometimes it can be difficult to articulate our basic needs, especially when we are feeling drained and overwhelmed. With the terrible economic situation lurking around the world these days, food, which used to be an essential commodity, is becoming increasingly difficult to come by. As the saying goes, a hungry man is an angry man. However, when we are feeling hungry, it can be fun to come up with creative ways to express our hunger. Here are some expressions in Nigerian Pidgin English that are commonly used to creatively, amusingly, but at the same time seriously convey hunger. Are they hungry? Are they so hungry? Are they H? I want chop. I want chow. I want chew. I want whack. I want lamb. I want grudge. I want gazoo. I want grub. Hunger dey wire me. Hunger dey mama me. Hunger dey take me. Hunger dey beat me. Hunger dey tear me. I no dey see road. Eyes dey red. Eyes dey shook. My belle dey sing anyhow. Alarm dey tear me. Owu dey blow me. To make these expressions sound really good, you can add the interjections omo, oh boy, guy, big. For example, you can say omo, owu dey blow me. Oh boy, I dey H. Guy, I want learn. Babe, hunger dey take me. You know, I've got tons of words and expressions to use to say I'm hungry, famished, or terribly hungry in Nigerian Pidgin English. See you in my next video. Bye for now.